Now, okay, to diagnose and find out why the SRS light is still on after clearing the crash code, I'm gonna be using the D7 Smart Diagnostics Systems X tool, and that's this one you see right here. That's what I'm gonna be using. Gonna connect these to, let me turn it on. I'm gonna connect these to the OBD port, and then you're gonna find out what's still the issue here, so that we can fix it. If there are stored codes in the vehicle, this will be able to clear. If there are stored SRS codes in the vehicle, this should be able to clear it out, and then we shouldn't have any more issues. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the vehicle now. Then we'll connect these. We connect these to the OBD ports right underneath here. Okay. Yeah, that's connected. Then we'll put our car in accessory mode. Okay, now then next thing I'm gonna do, push this button right here. Good. So let's do an auto scan. Let's see what it says. So we can just scan the whole system, and then it tells us where there is an issue. Okay, can I identify the VIN? Then say I should do it manually. So US, North America, USA. Now let's go back to Maxima, A6 2023. Automatic scan everything, scanning the whole car, and let's see: airbag failure, intelligence cruise control, driver assistance system failure 2. Okay, scanning them all one by one. Laser radar failure 2. Okay, sonar failure 2. Side radar failure. We're gonna see what all those things are. No, those are probably codes already stored in the car, which we're gonna clear, because every other thing there seems to be working fine. Apart from the airbag system, the sonar is working, everything is working. So automatic scan seems to be completed. Scan 21. Then let me pick them one by one. The things that says have failed. Side radar failed. What did they say? Steering sensor circuit 1 passed. Okay, these are passcodes, so those ones we can clear, those ones, because they are passcodes. Yeah, side radar. Yeah, we just need to clear them, because no codes in that one. Yeah, because I know those ones are working fine. Then sonar. See, they are all passed. So let's just go back and clear those ones. Clear those codes here. Clear the codes. Yeah. And then what again do we got there? Lisa radar. It's also stain of radar, circuit of steering sensor passed. Let's clear it also. Those ones are past ones. They are no longer, those have been taken care of. Then what again do we have? Side radar passed also. So we can clear those ones too. Clear those two. Now what we have left, yeah, let's go for the airbag intelligence cruise control. Let's see, that's passed also, so we can clear that also. Clear that. Codes, you can see no more trouble codes in there. So let's go back to the main business of the day, the airbag, and let's see what it says. Failure diagnosis. Let's see. Go back. Airbag failure. Left rear pretensioner, right rear pretensioner. So we have, yeah, these are all passcodes. Cutting airbag module left side. Those are things that were because the car was in a crash, those airbags deployed and we replaced those. Airbag module, driver airbag module 2 also passed. So these left and the rear pretensioner, those two are the ones that we need to fix. You can see, let me move it closer. You see, every other thing, airbag module is cleared. Everything that is in there is cleared. So the only thing that's left, the left rear pretensioner and the right rear pretensioner, those are the only two things that are still faulty in this vehicle that we need to take care of in order for these codes to disappear. So they based on the code that we got in the earlier, that code was telling us that we need to replace the two seat belts at the back because they were locked before. That's why it took that code. That was the reason why the airbag light was on. So I had to buy two new seat belts from Nissan because Nissan Maxima 2023 seat belts seems to be all by itself. It doesn't match any other earlier versions. Doesn't match Ultima, doesn't match LA versions of Maxima. This 2023 is just by itself. So I had to go to the dealership to order a new seat belt, which we just installed. So and this is the box which it came with. So those two seat belts have been replaced, as you can see right there. After it's been installed, the airbag light is still on, so we're gonna use our tool to scan it and to erase those codes, the codes that's likely going to be in there, and then we'll see what happens from there. So let's go. So let's see what we get from this. Again, still using the X-Tool auto scan diagnostics tool. Auto scan. Okay, so North America, USA, Maxima 836. Automatic scan now, scanning everything now. Airbag failure. Okay. Okay, saying airbag failure, let's see what that is talking about. Now, these are all past codes. Everything is saying past. Assist airbag module, you say past. Assist airbag module tool, past. Driver airbag module, past. Crash zone sensor, past. It's saying these are all past codes. Left front pretensioner, past. Right front pretensioner, past. Left door, right front, say past. Right curtain airbag. So everything is past. Even the rear pretensioner that it's stored before is no longer there. So let's go ahead and clear these codes. Now it has cleared the codes. Yeah, as you can see, the airbag light is gone now, so that's fixed. So what this is telling us is once you have finished resetting the airbag module, it's possible for the airbag light to still be on. What you need to do is to get a scan tool to scan the your system. Sometimes it could just be one of the things that's connected to the airbag module that's still faulty. If any of the seat belts are locked, you might need to unlock them. Sometimes you unlock them, it may not work if it's not done properly, so you might need to replace those seat belts. Sometimes it could be the seat sensor, because some of these seats, especially the passenger seats, might need to be recalibrated. It might bring up that code, so you might need to recalibrate that. I found out that this tool I have here, the X tool, seems to be a very good tool that is able to do all of those things, recalibrate things like that. So I'm not advertising for X tool, but it's just a tool that I found useful. That's why I'm recommending it to you. So this is done. As you can see, the Maxima is back alive now, and everything seems to be back in shape. So again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel here, the Smart Auto Hack channel. That's one way by which you can encourage us to continue bringing you these DIY videos. So we'll see you again in the next video.